How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can connect controller to your Anbernic RG35XX. So you only need one tool or one cable in order to do this, and that's going to be the Type-C to Type-C cable. So normally it's going to look something like this. You just want to navigate through the charging port of your device, which is going to be at the top right here. So what you want to do is to just plug a USB cable onto the charging port itself, or you could also try using this one if it's available. Basically, you could just look for the USB device that's compatible with the device itself. And to make things easier, I'm going to use Type-C to Type-C connection because most devices have the Type-C connection right now. So from there, you want to plug your cable onto this charging port. And then I'm going to use the PS5 as an example. So of course, it's really simple. You just want to plug the first end onto the charging port. And then you want to plug the other end onto your controller. Once again, Type-C to Type-C works best in our situation. If this video was being helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.